Hey, Dara, let's hang it up.
Okay, Ron.
I just need a hook.
A hook? Ah, my next delivery.
Yes.
Wait here.
One.
A duck.
No.
Oh. Aha! A hook. Dara, can I have my hammer, please?
No blanket.
Thank you.
Oh, Joe, that's a banana.
Aww. Oh. Oh. I forgot my hammer.
Oh dear. Oh dear, Joe. Ah. There, Roger.
Thank you, Dara. Perfect. We will put the painting there. What a good painting.